your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she took the swag too. Girl, and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she took the swag too.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the koala in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I D.I.E. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my face, sending action. These days no kumbaya, niggas be past tense. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Ain't it pretty mixed up, this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunned till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunned till I D.I.E.
Tell me if you still love. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to you way before I had you right this moment. Then again, I could be drunk. Baby, I don't wanna sound righteous. I got 20 bitches sucking like license. I just any money roll a dice since I pick. She ain't even really my type, and out here she been losing herself to the night shift. She been losing herself, and I get it. Oh yeah, I get it. Yeah, and you been fighting for your shot, and you been searching for your spot. Girl, I feel it. Yeah, girl, I feel it. Yeah, but you think you got your groove, but you want someone like you. Tell me if you still love. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? I'm telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to you way before. I had you right this home. And again, I can be drunk.
Yeah, I know, mommy, I know. It's 2 a.m., no stress. At 3, that bullshit kick in. At 30, you feel your best. I turn my whole spot to crucial. It's crucial the way I left. Upstairs, it's like a low. I know it just be the best.
I'm looking at her, and her starting to turn into you. Now you starting to fuck up my mind. Is it you, is it her?
We probably trapped in the birds. M29 is my address in case you ain't heard. It's flooding upstairs, it's elite. I don't make it squeak, I make this shit beat. Won't have a teeth when I feast.
They doing this slide through the streets. It takes a finesse, especially in this cabaret cheap. Engine make it hard to creep. Just leave the gate open. Notice I know I'm a creep. All you bought is a rail, and all the kids down to the sleep. And all you obsessed by yourself. in there? Is this a room for me? Baby, do tell, do tell. Tell me, is you still love? It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to way before I had you right this once. But then again, I can be drunk.
Tastemaker, and welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, I'm doing a review for Ashimary hair, and I am reviewing this blonde unit from them. It is so pretty. Absolutely love this unit. I think it complements me very well. One thing that I love is that my skin complexion literally works with any color. Like, I can literally wear blonde hair, red hair, purple hair, green hair. It really wouldn't matter. I can wear any color and it always looks amazing on me. But I really like this color combination. I've had some units in the past that have like this ombre feel to it, but nothing quite like this one. I like that the blonde is like an ash blonde. It's not like a, well, it actually is like blonde, but it's just like toned really well. And I love that the ombre is like a nice smooth ombre. It's not like all choppy or anything like that, because sometimes I get units with the dark root. You can see exactly like where the colors like are put, but this one is just blended really well. Absolutely love that. And it's like a jet black to like a brown and then into the blonde hair, which I feel like makes it more workable for darker skin tones, because, you know, to go like bright blonde from the root, sometimes for certain people it's like overwhelming, but something like this I feel like anybody could wear and they'll feel comfortable in. You won't feel like, ugh, is this doing too much? But this one is just so perfect. Now the parting space on this one is a 13x4. This is also considered a glueless unit. However, I did use Got To Be Glue gel to adhere my unit, but if you don't want to, you don't have to. But I just felt like I wanted it to be like really secure, but it laid really flat. Like when I put it on, everything was just like perfect. This unit does come pre-plucked as well. Here is an up close look at that color. Like I said, it's just blended so well. I did put some concealer in the part here. I just used my LA Pro concealer. I did use that off camera, but yeah, it's so pretty, so sleek. I got it nice and flat, because you guys saw before it was just like lumpy, and you know, that's not what we want. But so beautiful, as you guys can see. Absolutely love it. It just looks so good on me. Like, my new favorite for sure. But I just feel like with this hair, I just feel so bougie. I just feel so like girly and put together. I feel like I'm ready to go for like a nice dinner date. It definitely gives that kind of vibes. I definitely plan on wearing this unit out like for dinner. I definitely need to do that for sure. Like it just gives that kind of vibe. Even if it's just like a solo date or something, I would wear this on a solo date. So cute, some nice heels. And I do currently have on a dress. I'll stand up in a minute to show you guys. But yeah, this unit is a 26-inch unit. It's really long. I did a wide shot for you guys just so you guys can see like all of the hair, because sometimes I'm so close that you can't really see everything. So this is what it's looking like. It's so long. Absolutely love the length for this one. Like I said, it is a 26-inch, but the pieces here in the very front are a little bit shorter, which I think are great if you wanted to like curl this unit. This would be great to have because, you know, it'll already be ready for you, just like curl so perfectly. And I love the fact that it's like that on both sides. It's a nice like layering effect. It's not just like straight down, and it's not like the entire frontal is that way. It's just like a portion of the frontal is like that, and then the rest of it is the really long 26-inch, which you guys know I love long hair, so this is just perfect for me. I love the flow to this as well. It flows so beautifully. It's really healthy, especially for it to be blonde, because you guys know sometimes blonde hair can give like Barbie doll kind of hair, but this gives Barbie in a good way. This gives like, you know, a very demure Barbie. Love, love, love this. And it's very subtle. It's perfect even for like the workplace if you wanted to like, you know, switch your hair up for work and you didn't want to wear like your normal. Yeah, if you are looking for a beautiful blonde unit that you can wear that complements your skin tone, especially if you are a dark skinned girl like myself, you guys definitely need to check out this unit from Ashimary. Love all the free goodies that we got as well. They give you so many things when you open up your package, like all the cute bows. They give you like even makeup puffs like for your powder. They give you lashes, bonnets, like everything you need to do your hair. Like the only thing they don't give you is like a pair of scissors, but other than that, everything is included. Ashimary is definitely one of my personal favorites, so if you're interested in picking up this unit for yourself, make sure you do check out that description box down below for a direct link along with all the information to this unit. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one.